I'm very excited because I just got my new storage bag from Chaoscleared. My friends over at Chaoscleared. If you guys don't know about them, you can give them a follow. They have great organizational ideas. Okay, I've opened it up and I love how sturdy it looks. I love the window and I love the handles on the side. So here goes. I'm going to fill it with some bedding. Say hi to my cute dog. So I teach at a music camp every summer and I always have to take my own linens with me, and I have them like in this flimsy, terrible bag that they came in, and the bag is like ripping. It's not good. So I'm going to store these linens in this awesome. Okay, so far I have in this bag a queen size heirloom quilt that I just cannot get rid of. It belonged to my grandmother. And then this really like fluffy comforter, and then this sheet set. Okay, just for scale, I'm gonna show you. This is my dog. This is how big it is. It's nice and big. It really will hold a lot. It feels very sturdy. And yeah, you just pick it right up and probably even just like shove it under the bed. So I just want to thank my friends over at Chaoscleared for sending this to me. I'm so excited that I have this. Now I can store this bedding and I don't have to just like have it stacked on a shelf. I feel like it's really protected and I totally recommend it. Check them out at Chaoscleared.